Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bob HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.hibob.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official login portal for Bob HR. Now enter your email address within the email address box that you used while signing up for your account, and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Bob HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password to reset your credentials, and you can also use your Google or Microsoft account to log in to your account on HiBob. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bob HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.